Weight Loss Cookbook 50 Low-Calorie Recipes. Weight Loss Cookbook 50 Low-Calorie Recipes. September 12, 2025. Imagem. Weight Loss Cookbook 50 Low-Calorie Recipes. 50 recipes to lose weight. Healthy and practical meals for your daily routine. If you're looking for a healthier diet and want to lose weight naturally, you've come to the right place. In this guide you'll find 50 recipes to lose weight that will transform your eating habits without giving up on flavor. These are easy, quick and nutritious options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks. Why choose recipes to lose weight? Going on a diet doesn't mean starving yourself or eating the same foods every day. The secret is choosing nutrient-rich meals that are low in fat and keep you full for longer. The 50 recipes to lose weight we've selected are perfect for those who want to reduce body measurements in a healthy way, improve energy and overall well-being, keep a varied and tasty diet, boost metabolism with smart ingredient combinations. Examples of healthy recipes. Among these 50 recipes to lose weight you'll find option. Weight Loss Cookbook 50 Low-Calorie Recipes. Weight Loss Cookbook 50 Low-Calorie Recipes. September 12, 2025. Imagem. Weight Loss Cookbook 50 Low-Calorie Recipes. 50 recipes to lose weight. Healthy and practical meals for your daily routine. If you're looking for a healthier diet and want to lose weight naturally, you've come to the right place. In this guide you'll find 50 recipes to lose weight that will transform your eating habits without giving up on flavor. These are easy,